Welcome to this video. My name is Mark Scythian, and in this lecture you're going to learn how easy it is to convert decimal values into fractions. Converting decimal values into fractions is easy, so here's some examples. Let's say we have the decimal expression 0.053862. We want to convert it into a fraction at its lowest terms. So all we need to do is count the number of decimal places. We need to move the decimal to the right to just make it a whole number, not a decimal, so that's 5 places, or 6 places. So then we just add 6 zeros in a fractions denominator, followed by a 1, so that is 1,000,000. And then we just place the whole number in integers into that numerator, 53,862. So then we count the number of places we have to move that decimal, again, just to make it equal to the original decimal expression. So again, we have made sure we're dealing with 6 zeros, or 1,000,000 for the denominator. So then we bring everything down into lowest term. So we'll just divide the numerator into 2 and the denominator into 2. And because we have an odd number at the end of the numerator, 26,931, that's the lowest we can go without it reverting into a decimal within a fraction. So that would actually be a correct fractional value for 0.053862. So we'll call that example number 1. Example number 2 is 0.3125, so we can write 3125. Count the number of decimal places, so we have 4 zeros. So we have 10,000 for the denominator, and because numbers that end with 5 and 0 are always divisible into 5, we can divide both the numerator into 5 and the denominator into 5. Then we can continue on dividing the numerator and denominator into 5 until we reach the lowest terms of the decimal expression. So 5/16 is the fractional or fraction representation of the decimal value 0.3125. So the last example, we'll use the decimal expression 0.5625. So just write 5625, and we count the number of decimal places for which it would be a whole number 5625 expression. So we place 4 zeros, 10,000, and again, numbers ending with 5 and 0 are always divisible into 5, so we can reduce the fraction into lowest terms. So we get 9/16. So converting decimals into fractions is easy.